how to scan QR code in Telegram to join group. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily scan the QR code in Telegram to join any group. So first thing, simply head over to any of the group which you want to share. To select to scan the QR code in Telegram, we want to join through that QR code. So simply click on the QR code of that particular group and just screenshot the QR code. And what you can do is simply make sure you have downloaded a barcode or QR code scanner, which is a free application from the Play Store. And once you do that, simply come over here. Let me just show you once again. Simply come over to this application, and once you come over to gallery section, simply select the QR code that you like, and from over here you can see it converts your QR code to link, and simply copy it. And once you copy it, simply head over to your Google and any other browser, just copy the link which you provided it, and simply you can either run it in the web version or you can also use it through the Telegram application itself. And you can see you are just redirected in the group where you can actually join by clicking over join here, as I have already joined in this group, so it's not showing over here. And that's it guys, that's exactly how you can scan the QR code in Telegram to join the group. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.